Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day, great afternoon, great night. Today's video is gonna be for those of you that took action, are ready to start. So how do I start online? Let's get right to it. So you decided to take action. You took your first leap of faith. Maybe you bought a training session. Maybe you are just starting. So how to start? A lot of people in the internet are super unclear on what exactly should you guys be doing if you're starting. I'm gonna give you guys my suggestion, what I think you should do. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please take notes, consider what I'm saying. This is how I started. This is how I recommend you start. Just my opinion. So let's get to it. Step number one, decide what type of business you're gonna have. So for me, if you're a beginner, you have to start with affiliate marketing. This is just because probably if you're a beginner, you guys don't have a product, don't have the knowledge or the skills to create a new product from scratch. So I'm gonna say affiliate marketing is gonna help. It's gonna be the best option for 99% of you guys. So go ahead and start with affiliate marketing. So for this, you're gonna need to define your niche, your avatar, your product, and your platform. So what do I mean with this? So once you decided to start, it's gonna be very important for you guys to know in what niche you're gonna be in, who is your target audience, or what we call the avatar. I constructed a video on defining your avatar, so please check that out. What is gonna be your product or service? Might be a service. Again, if you're doing affiliate marketing, it's probably gonna be something that someone already sells and has a page and everything. So what exactly is gonna be your product or service? If you guys don't know how to start and how to get a good offer that is gonna give you high commissions, please go ahead and check this video out. I'm gonna leave the little window right here. That is literally how to get a great offer. Then what platform? So in order to start with affiliate marketing, you guys are gonna need audiences. So you can choose Facebook page, which I don't recommend, Instagram, which I recommend, YouTube, which I do recommend, but it takes work and you guys have to be in front of a camera. So choose what platform you're gonna do. It might be a blog post, whatever. Okay, so now that you have all of these things defined, you have to set up your business plan, objectives, okay, objectives, and step number 4, your power list / skills. So I'm gonna tell you guys real quick why I set up things in this order. So once you define the basic fundamental parts of your business, which are going to be your product, who you're going to sell, and where is your traffic going to come from, you guys need a business plan. So you guys need to know what solution are you providing for your client. So what is the problem in your niche, and what is the problem that your avatar has, and how are you going to be a solution. You have to have, whether you're going to use paid traffic, organic traffic, you guys really need to have a business plan so that you know exactly what to do and how to do it, from here to 6 months, from here to 1 year. Objectives, I made a video, I'm gonna link it right there, on how to set smart objectives, because if you don't have objectives, nothing is gonna be successful, because you have to know why you're doing something every single day in order for you to actually stay motivated and do that every single day. Then this is where things start getting uncomfortable, but where you start seeing results. So your power list, we talked about that. That video is going to be also linked right there. You have to create a power list that is going to be a series of 6 or 5 objectives that you're going to complete every single day, different tasks, so that you ensure that your business is growing. So for me, is recording videos, reading, studying, maybe working out. You have to have 5 or 6 skills: messaging people, posting, whatever you guys are doing. You have to have your power list defined so that you know every single day what you have to do. If you guys try to do everything in every day, it is gonna get messy, confused, and you're gonna be overwhelmed, and you're gonna lose motivation. So then, once you define your power list, you start developing your skills, and this has to do with your power list. So for me, one of my key elements in my power list is actually learning for 2 hours a day, learning something new, whether that is on sales, on business, on marketing, on affiliate marketing, whatever I want. But for 2 hours a day, I have to learn something related to the skills I need to run my business. So for affiliate marketing, you might try funnels, you might try sales, you may try how to run ads, copywriting. So these are just ideas on things that you could invest your time in. Make sure to include all of this skill development and knowledge development into your power list. So every single day you know that you're getting better and better at your craft and what you're doing. And finally, what I would do in the end, just as the cherry on top, I would then go ahead and focus on my branding. So color scheme, color palette, and design and logo. So a lot of people, when they're starting their companies, their businesses, they get stuck in the branding part, because it is the most easy, the most attractive part of the business, which is the name, the colors, the logo, so the graphic design. So a lot of people spend so much time doing this, and they actually think that this is the priority, but it is actually not. First, your number one priority has to be these 4 steps, and then you can focus on your branding, what your color palette is going to be, what your graphic design. Are you going to outsource your graphic design, or are you going to do it yourself, or you're going to pay somebody? But this is just the cherry on top, okay? So if you guys have a super strong branding, and you guys have super beautiful designs that you paid a professional to do, but you don't have a business plan, you don't know what to do every single day, you guys don't know what your business structure is going to be, you don't have a great product, you don't have great offers, you don't know how to run ads, you don't know how to create attractive content, you don't know how to write text that sells, you're done. So you're never gonna be successful. This has to be your number one priority, and then the beauty aspect of the business comes last. So first, you have to ensure that you have an efficient business with growth potential, organization, that everything is clear, everything is organized. You guys need to know what to do every single day. I've said this a lot, but I really mean it. If you guys are not clear on what do I have to do, what tasks do I have to do every day in order for my business to grow, you're gonna end up overwhelming, you're gonna quit. You need that guidance, and you need those objectives. So first define this 4, and last define your branding. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna get you guys a little bit closer so that you guys can take a quick screenshot. That is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step to start a business. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna be creating a business creator training series. It's gonna be for my people in my exclusive Facebook group. So if you want to have access to that, please go ahead and send me a message saying Facebook. Again, I really appreciate the love and support you've been showing the channel. Things like this are essential, and I didn't understand this for over a year, and it took me a lot of time and resources to figure it out. I thought it was all about injecting money into a business and watching it grow, but it is not like that. First comes organization and the behind the scenes, the back office, and then you focus on the front office. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, follow. Go check out my past videos. Check out the video on avatars, on objectives. Check out the video on how to choose a great product and great offer. And you guys take action. Don't forget that it is okay to watch videos online on how to start, but the best way to actually start is to actually start. So go ahead and get uncomfortable. Go ahead and take action. Even if you don't have the skills and the knowledge, go for it. Nobody's gonna tell you anything. Just go ahead and commit and do that every single day. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Pura Vida.